Welcome back to TFC Modcraft. And in this episode, I want to do something about turning this area into a fully automatic sorting and processing facility so that it can handle everything that I mine up or have mined up by, like, for example, with a quarry or other automated mining systems, or if I just happen to go caving or whatever, and I come back with a load of stuff, I'll be able to dump it all into a single chest, which I'm probably going to have right there. And every bit of it will be pulled out of the chest. It will automatically be macerated or smelted as needed, and then it will be sent to appropriate storage chests. So, let's see, I've gone ahead and I've made a few things up. Some stone transport pipe, some basic logistics pipes, and some logistic chassis Mark II. Now those are basically a logistics pipe around with iron surrounding it, and the logistics pipe is this kind of really expensive thing here that gives you 8 of them, and I made 2 sets of those, which means I also ended up making some diamond pipe, and I don't know where yeah, it's in there anyway. So these modules are control modules for the logistics chassis pipes, and so on. I also made up a couple of transformer upgrades which allow these machines to run at a higher voltage. And so, let's see. First thing I need to do is I need to take this Buildcraft wrench, which you make it this way, and no, not the Buildcraft wrench. I need to do something with the Industrial Craft wrench, and in order to do that, I have to have one that is fully repaired. So I need some iron and some redstone. Put those together and I get this covalence dust, and the wrench with the covalence dust comes out fully repaired. Very handy. Okay, now I need exactly 4 tin, and that, and a cable, that was 2 redstone, battery, I need an electronic circuit, 2 more redstone, and crafting mundane things like this is going to get easier fairly soon, because once the sorting system is in place, I'm going to start work on automatic crafting. So we take the battery, the circuit, the wrench, and we get an electric wrench. Pop that in here to charge it up. And the big advantage with this is that, well, for one thing, it doesn't break. Like the regular wrench will break eventually with use, which means that you'd have to make another one. With this one, all you have to do is recharge it occasionally. And if you hold the mode switch key, which in this case defaults to M, and then right click, you get lossless mode, which means you can do it without losing what you're using. No risk of ending up with a machine block. So I'll pull these overclocker upgrades out temporarily, and then I'm going to remove all of these machines, and the bat box. Okay, where's the cobble? Okay, and the LV transformer as well. Alright, now the fat box and the transformer I will put away. I'm going to have to make some more of this glass cable, which means I need to go get some more glass, which I either have some up here, or I can just grab some sand and put a furnace back down. Oh well. Not a problem. Actually, I can wait a minute. Let's see. First thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to upgrade the furnaces to an induction furnace, which means electric furnace, advanced machine block, and copper. So I took these down just a little bit prematurely, apparently. Alright, fine. Call me a dummy. So that's the transformer. Bring the high voltage phase to the top. And take an electric furnace, pop it down here. Okay. Oh, I'm going to need advanced alloys, carbon plate. Carbon plate is easy enough. The advanced alloys, I'm going to need a compressor. Okay. All right. Get myself together here. I thought I pretty well had this all planned out, but that's all right. A compressor, machine block, circuit, and stone. So let's go ahead and get that together. Okay. I don't have any cobble on me. How about that? Okay. Not a problem. In fact, here's some stone. That's even better. Okay. Machine block. Circuit and stone. Okay. Add it backwards. All right, here's the compressor. Okay. Okay. Induction furnace. I need the advanced machine block. Refined iron, copper, and refined iron, bronze, and tin. Okay. Was that right? Yeah. Okay. I have to cook up some of this, get some of this tin processed. I thought I had some here. Okay, I'm going to process some things up and fix up my goofs here, and I'll be back in a moment when I'm ready to actually get something done. All right, got my tin. Had to temporarily put the macerator back down so that I could macerate the stuff. All right, tin is, or 1 tin, 3 copper. It's bronze. I'll go ahead and make up a little bit extra just to make sure. Alright. Induction furnace, okay. Yada, 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 yada. Refined iron, bronze, and tin. Okay, so we've got refined iron, bronze, and tin. There's the mixed metal ingots. They go into the compressor. Break that wire off of here. Put that wire on. These guys get compressed down into advanced alloy. While that's going, I need to get some coal. And then I need to macerate some coal. Okay, that's done. Machine's running on its internal charge, but that's running out. There. Coal done up. Put the rest of this away. How much more of this can I put away? No, I'm going to need the copper. Okay. And from the coal dust, I'll be able to make up the carbon plate. Coal dust like that, raw carbon fiber. That gets carbon mesh. And that goes in to become carbon plate, and I get 8 more coal and do it again. While I'm waiting on that, 2 diamonds, some silver, let's see. Oh, that's right. I was going to do some sand in here. Get some more glass. I might as well throw some overclocker upgrades in there to let it run a little faster. That's enough for now. All right, let me some more silver. There. Now I'm less likely to run out of it. Okay, I'm just about getting things in order here. Okay. Let's repeat this procedure. Okay, there's our other carbon plate. Let's get this going together. All right, refined iron. There's a machine block. There's one of those. There's two of these. There's the other one. There's our advanced machine block. Now we just need an electric furnace and surround it with copper. All right, and I'll make up the other one later. Just put a placeholder down. All right. Take that out of there. Get out the wrench. Make sure we're in lossless mode. Take that down. All right. Now we're starting to get into being in order here. Okay. Macerator. That will be the first machine in the line. And I'm going to put that there as a placeholder. I'm going to have a second macerator eventually. Let's see. Next up, let's go with the extractor. Induction furnace. And over here will be another induction furnace. And then over here, a compressor. Get out of there. All right, now the macerator will get a transformer upgrade. And 4 overclocker upgrades. The extractor will also get a transformer upgrade and 4 overclockers. Compressor doesn't need them. No, the compressor does. The induction furnace doesn't. Okay. I could have sworn the induction furnace used those, but okay. That on there. And I believe I need another transformer upgrade for that, so okay. MV transformer, glass, and a circuit, and some gold cable. Okay. Got some gold cable. Get the redstone. Okay. So there we are over here. There's our MV transformer. I'm going to be so glad when I've got automatic crafting set up. Because then it'll just be a matter of request what I want and it will be manufactured and delivered to me. All right. Circuit, MV transformer, 2 gold cables, some glass, and a partridge in a pear tree. All right, we'll upgrade that. The transformer upgrades allow the compressor and the macerator to be able to run on medium voltage. The extractor, well, as well, yeah. Extractor, macerator, and compressor will be able to run on medium voltage. The induction furnace already does run on medium voltage. And in fact, the macerator, once I upgrade that to the rotary macerator, it won't need the transformer upgrade either. All right, now let's get down underneath here. run some power. Okay, let's see. Okay. Okay, now there's power available to everything. Charging, that's charging, that's charging, and so is that. Everything's good. All right. I'll pretty this up later. All right, now for the induction furnace, we need to give it a redstone signal. So I'll just make up a lever, cobble, not dirt. And we'll just go shift, right click, pop a switch on there, turn it on, and it should be building up heat. Yes, it is. It'll get up to max temperature. Once it does, it will run a lot faster than the regular electric furnace. Okay. Okay, so we've got our basic machines in place. Now, let's see. All right, that looks like it'll be just about right. So I'm going to go down here just a little bit. Down here is where all the processing, well, the plumbing, the wiring is going to be. So I'm going to clear out a room here to work in, and I'll be back. All right, I've got my work area room down there fixed up, and let's see. Induction furnace is up to full heat, so let's go ahead and throw this sand in here. I'm going to need more glass eventually anyway, so pop it in there. You notice there's 2 input slots, 2 output slots, and this sucker is fast. I mean, that's pretty doggone good. And just as fast as you can think about it, 46 glass out of 46 sand. All right. Now, let's get to getting some piping in order. Let's see, logistic chassis pipes, basic logistics pipe, stone transport pipe. Okay, for each machine, we need a chassis pipe. There. All right, and then between them, stone transport pipe. And now we need the Buildcraft wrench to deal with these. Now the chassis pipes each have 2 places to put modules. And for these, we'll be putting an item sync module in each one. And the item sync module, basically click this here and you get an interface that lets you tell it what items are allowed to go in that machine or into that inventory, whether it's a machine or what. And let's put one in here. Okay, now let's see. let's get this out of here. I still want it around, but I just don't want it right there. I'm gonna, yeah, I guess I'll just throw it over here for now. And I'm gonna want an input chest. I need to get some wood. That's sand, it's not wood. Good grief, you'd think I could tell the difference between sand and wood. Alright. There's a chest, and I'm actually going to want to make this chest bigger than this, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it an iron chest. The advantage here is that it takes up the space of a single chest, but it's got a huge inventory, the inventory of a double chest in a single chest space. Alright, now let's see. Well, I didn't quite mean to do that. That'll work. Now on this chest, we'll take that down for the moment. We'll put another chassis pipe coming out of this chest. And for that one, we will put the quick sort module. The quick sort module, what that does is it will pull one item out of that chest every second. And let's see, we need pipe coming out of that. Let me see. No, that's not going to do. I don't want it to feed out of the chest into the side of the machine. So we'll go like this. There. Okay, now dump a bunch of stuff in here. Every 1 second this pipe will pull it out and try to send it down the network to one of these pipes that will be requesting the items in question. And so, for example, let's take a bit of silver, some copper, some iron ore, some tin ore, some gold ore, just as a start. Alright, use the wrench to open up the interface. And let's see, this is the macerator. Okay, so the macerator, item sync, gets tin, copper, iron, gold, and silver. Alright, so now any of those items that get dumped in here will automatically be brought to the macerator to be macerated. If the machine is busy, they will bounce back here. Well, I can arrange for them to bounce back here. I forgot something again. See, I need another, or maybe I just need the polymorphic. Let me look. No. No, I need, I'm going to steal the one out of this for the moment, the item sync. That's what I need. Item sync, open up the interface and say, this is the default route for anything you don't know what to do with. So anything the system doesn't know where it belongs, it will go back here. So if I put a bunch of stuff in here, it goes to the macerator, the machine is busy, there's no place else in the network for it to go, it'll bounce back here. So let's see, we've got a silver, get some tin, some copper, iron, and gold. Now let's just dump all of these in here. They get pulled out, thrown to the macerator. It's working on stuff. You notice the ones that didn't have any room for bounced back. And it's pulling them out every now and then. Of course, the system doesn't know what to do with silver dust. So we'll fix that. Let's see, there's the induction furnace. Yeah, okay. Silver dust will now automatically be sent to the induction furnace. So let's just drop that in there. And now the silver ingots, I'll have to keep those handy because I haven't yet set up a place for them to go from there. Iron dust gets the same treatment over here. And so on, along with the copper and tin and gold will get the same treatment. Silver, tin, copper, iron, and gold. All right, now throw all of those in there. They get all routed to the induction furnace and smelted. And you'll notice it's smelting two things at a time. This is great. All right, now we need to set up where things are going to go after they get smelted and so on. And I'm not going to worry too much about the compressor right now. In fact, I'm going to take it out of the system for the moment. Instead, I'll just put a pipe here, go up, start knocking torches down. I'm going to have to get some glowstone or something to put in the ceiling. All right, now what I'm going to do for this is I'm going to set some chests up over here that will handle where these things are supposed to go once they're processed. So I'm going to go get some wood. I'm going to probably have to go out and mine up, or mining wood. Yeah, right. I'm going to have to go out and cut down some trees. So I'm going to go out and do that, get some logs, and make up a bunch of chests, and I'll be back. All right, I've made up some chests here. I went ahead and made up 8 of these iron chests. And I don't know, maybe I don't necessarily need that many, but that's what I'm going to start with. So I'll put one here, here, here. Like so. All right, and now, well, let's just run the plumbing through here. That's a problem. I don't want it connecting to that machine just yet, so just run it up, over. And now, of course, each of these is going to need to be a chassis pipe. would help if I had the right thing selected. All right, now here we go. Well, that was weird. I hit forward and it kept going after I let go. Okay, now get the wrench, open these up. Each one gets a polymorphic item sync. And what that basically means is that anything in the system, like for example, if this chest has iron, silver, gold, copper, and tin in it, and I dump these into that input chest, they should automatically get routed over there. And that will also be the same if such things come out of the furnace. Instead of bouncing back there, they now have a destination and they'll end up here. Very good. So we'll just put another one of these in each of these. And this is how I will be able to arrange for things to automatically sort, because I will just, like for example, in here, I want cobble to go there. Any excess cobble in the system that gets dumped off, like from mining operations or whatnot, will land here. Let's see. Redstone, glowstone, nickelite, these gems, coal. All right. So this one is processed minerals, processed metals. This one, let's see, let's throw redstone, nickelite, glowstone in there, and blaze powder. So that's dusts. This one will get all of the coal, and I'll arrange for other fuel type things to go in here as well. Actually, wait a minute. The coal, for the time being at least, can go in with the redstone and dusts. In here, gems. And it will be these and the diamonds as well. And I'm also going to do something with these chests, which will hold mod-specific things. Like, for example, I'll put industrial craft stuff here, and build craft things here, and red-powered things in here, and then expand the system around as needed when I decide to have another chest full of stuff. And I can use supplier logistics pipes to get those added into the system as well. Or perhaps just more of these chassis pipes with polymorphic item sinks on them. Okay, let's see. So let's give the system a stress test. Oh, refined iron needs to have a place to go. It's a processed metal. It'll go there. All right. So we'll take all of this stuff. Let's see. Stone. Okay, I'm going to make this chest a sort of a catch-all for the moment. Okay, and let's see, this one doesn't have anything. Wood and wood products, including saplings, sugarcane, and when I get a hold of some, cactus. I've got it upstairs, I just don't have it right in a minute. All right, oh, the bronze. Have bronze go in there too. All right, now let's give it a little bit of a stress test and start throwing stuff in here. We'll just throw in the stone and all the ores and the metals. All right, we'll just watch here. Stuff's getting thrown around here. Processed metals are going where they need to be. Macerator's cooking stuff up. Okay, I'm missing something here. Oh, of course. Module. Item sync module, passive supplier, extractor module. So that's a blank module with iron gear, redstone, and lapis. Okay. All right. I forgot to pick up some cobble. Didn't really need to have all of it in there. All right, the blank module. I need some paper for that. Okay. Gold nugget. Some redstone. And 6 paper. 3 more redstone, the gear, and some lapis. Which I believe I have upstairs. Yes. All right, extractor module. Goes in here. Open up the setting. Extract orientation. This tells it where to take something out of the machine. We'll want to take it out of the side. And there you go. Now, I'm going to take a few minutes and make up some more extractor modules for the rest of these things, and I'll be right back. All right, there's my extractor modules. Okay, extractor things come out of the side. And with the induction furnace, things are extracted from the side. And with chests, I'm not quite sure that it matters, but I've got a bunch of extra modules just in case. Now let's see. All right, that's all good to go. Wait a minute. Maybe that doesn't count for things that are already in inventory. Let's pull these things out and see. Yes, it's working now. All right, so we'll just throw these things in here. and things are automatically being processed and sent to their respective storage chests. This is good. Everything's working as intended. You notice things here waiting to be smelted keep getting processed, or they keep making an attempt. Let's see. This stuff, the cinnabar. I think it's going to go in the catch-all. All right. Very good. Things are starting to shape up. We have some serious automation going. And very soon it will get more so, because the macerator will be replaced with a rotary macerator. And there will be a second one as well right here. And then the induction furnace, I'll get another one of those made and put it here. And then eventually I will get the compressor figure. I'm going to have to do some looking up to figure out exactly how to handle the compressor. But it'll eventually get put into the system as well. So things are looking good. We have some seriously cool automation going on as far as all incoming stuff will be automatically processed. It will be macerated. It will be smelted. And next time I get, like for example, the next time I get some sticky resin, I'm going to see to it that the module in this machine knows that sticky resin goes in there, and so on. And I'll have a place over here where rubber is supposed to go. Well, let's go ahead and set that up now. I think it's going to end up in the catch-all, as is that. That can go in there. And pardon me, I have to go kill a very rude zombie. And put my door back again. And yes, I know, I could put in an iron door. I don't want to. I don't like iron doors. All right, that's a good start. Take all of this stuff, and I'm just going to throw it in here without even thinking about what it is. And as things get processed, see, some things are getting sent away right away. Other things are staying in there because the system doesn't know what to do with them. So let's take some gravel, some dirt, paper, gunpowder, spider eye, a flint, sapling, stick. Don't forget those, because they're a different kind. And you know, there's several kinds of wooden planks these days, and the bread even. Okay, a lot of the stuff is going to end up in miscellaneous items. For right now. That didn't start out being a miscellaneous items chest, but it certainly ended up as one. And I didn't want the sticks and the wood in there. I wanted that stuff in here, along with the plant stuff. Yeah. And we've got cobble here. Let's throw gravel and flint in there as well. Where is the dirt that I had? I could have sworn I had some dirt. Yeah, I did. Alright, and we'll do the same number with the gravel. Alright, now throw all this stuff in here. The only thing staying, well, we've got sand, has to go someplace, marble needs a place to go, and that crap needs a place to go. And yes, I'm going to continue saving the zombie turds even though I don't use them. But that's alright. I have eventual plans. And yes, I'm going to have to both upgrade these chests to bigger. Matter of fact, the marble doesn't need to go in there. Marble can go in here. This is a miscellaneous thing. All right. Okay. And none of that stuff should bounce back. In fact, it's already put in place. Okay. Doing good. We have automatic processing and sorting going on, and it's completely automatic. Unless I don't have this extractor set properly. Because this stuff is not getting extracted. It's just stacking up in here. Do I have a place for copper bars to go? Yes. Try setting that to extract from the bottom. Will that work? No. Okay, that's working. Okay, it's getting extracted. It's just not getting extracted extremely fast. All right, I'll have to look into that. There may be a way to upgrade something to get it to go faster. The main thing is stuff is being handled automatically. All right. Next up is going to be expanding this to include automatic crafting. In the meantime, thanks for watching. Take it easy. I'm out of here.